In chapter 10 Human Settlement, today we will discuss about the megacities. Megacity is a very large city typically with a population of more than 10 million, and the definition of megacity vary from country to country as well. But in general term, for the city together with their suburb with a population of more than 10 million will be considered as a megacity. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. There are many cities in the world which have now status of megacities. But the first megacity of the world was New York in USA. And by 1950, this was only the megacity of the world. With the population of 12.5 million, this was the first megacity. And the number of megacities is now 25 in 2000. And in 2012, this number have increased by 27. And today, there are around 33 megacities in the world. And the number of megacities has increased in mostly developing countries. And during the last 50 years, Asia, Africa, Latin America have number of such cities which have attained the position and the status of megacities. You can see in this today most of the megacities are in Asia. Like first at the top, in Japan, Tokyo is the largest megacity. Then Canton in China, Jakarta in Indonesia, Seoul in Korea, Shanghai in China. These five biggest megacity where population is more than 2.5 crore means 25 million are in Asia. Then Mexico City, Delhi, New York, Sao Paulo, Bombay, Manila. Then Karachi also in Manila, Karachi, Bombay also in Asia. Osaka, Beijing, Calcutta, Dhaka, Bangkok, Tehran. All these cities are in Asia. If you see the world map, you will find that in North America, the megacities are in USA. New York and Los Angeles are popular megacities, and San Francisco also have the status of megacity. Then in Mexico, Mexico City is the megacity. In South American continent, the number is less, but still Brazil has two megacities, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. In Argentina, Buenos Aires is one of the popular megacity. Then in Africa, most of the megacities are in Nigeria, Egypt and Dominion Republic of Congo. Lagos in Asia, Nigeria, Cairo in Egypt are the popular megacities. In Europe, the megacities are London in Great Britain, Paris in France, and Moscow in Russia. Tehran, Istanbul in Turkey. It is in European Turkey where this Istanbul is located. Then in Asia, you will find out the number of megacities like Tehran in Iran, Karachi in Pakistan. In India, number of megacities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad are megacities. Dhaka, all this in Bangladesh, Dhaka is also a megacity. Then here in Indonesia, Jakarta is also a megacity. Manila in Philippines, Shanghai, Canton, Beijing is in China, then Tokyo and Osaka are the biggest mega city of Japan. Seoul in South Korea are the mega cities of the world. So this way you have seen the most of the mega cities are in now in developing countries of the world like Asia and Latin America especially, right? And the total number of megacities has been increasing day by day, and most possibly by 2030 the number of megacity will increase by 50. Thank you.